The word en in Spanish means in, on, or at. We can use the word en, for example, in mi carro, which means in my car. We can also use it, for example, in la mesa, which means on the table. And we can also use it, for example, in el hotel, which means at the hotel. So the word en can mean in, on, or at. Yo estoy en mi carro. I am in my car. In this case, the word en means in. Los libros están en la mesa. The books are on the table. In this case, the word en means on. Ellas están en el hotel. They are at the hotel. In this case, the word en means at. El café está en la taza. The coffee is in the cup. In this case, the word en means in. El balón está en la calle. The ball is on the road. In this case, the word en means on. Nosotros estamos en la casa. We are at the house. In this case, the word en means at. So as we can see, instead of using a different word for in, on, or at, we use the word en for all three. Well done! You've just completed the short lesson on the preposition en, which can mean in, on, or at, depending on the context. Don't forget to complete the practice exercises and take the test for this lesson to reinforce what you've learned. In the next lesson, we'll be learning about the verb estar. It's very similar to the verb ser, which we covered in an earlier lesson, but we use estar to express things like what we are doing, how we are feeling, and where we are. Keep up the great work. You're making excellent progress.